We are in Hawaii. What is up, y'all? So I've just touched down in Hawaii and I am very excited to be here. So originally I wanted to do a whole like get ready with me, but it turns out I am a stressful packer, and instead of just like taking a day to do all of that in prep, I decided that I was going to clean my entire apartment and do 50 million chores and then try to pack on top of that. And so I had the bright idea of putting down the camera, getting everything I needed to get done, and then do a little lookbook for y'all since I'm here. So this is going to be a what I brought with me on a 5-day vacation in Hawaii lookbook vlog video. So I plan to make 2 videos now. One is going to simply just be my what I brought on vacation, earthy girl on vacation lookbook-esque video, which is the one you're watching right now. And then I'm gonna do a secondary video, which is essentially just me vlogging the trip and taking y'all with me. Also, shout out to my top. Yeah, I guess the lookbook is officially starting with my travel day fit. Shout out to Orchard NYC. This top is so cute and I got like 3 compliments. Not that I'm counting. The star of the show, I have decided that he is going to be named Roberto. So everyone say hello to Roberto. I'm gonna try and figure this out. Hold on. So this is the fit. I brought this jacket that I thrifted. I guess this is the full fit. This is the entire fit. It is like 84 degrees right now and a little humid, so I will not probably wear this jacket the entire trip. So by no means is this a minimalist vacation. I brought a lot of cute things and I'm hoping I will get a chance to wear them all. I just really wanted to feel cute and have a good time because honestly, this is the first time that I have taken a vacation in a long time. Like, yes, I've traveled and I've done things with family. I was invited as a +1 to my friend's wedding. So yeah, just super excited and sweaty. I feel like since moving to Seattle last year, I haven't been able to thrift a lot. No tea, no shade, but I just feel like LA has way better options when it comes to thrifting and unique pieces and things that you won't just find in a regular store. I feel like when I go to Seattle thrift stores, it's a little anticlimactic for me, so I haven't been thrifting a lot, and that has kind of like caused a shift, I feel like, in what I perceive as my style, the things that I like to wear, just because I've been wearing the clothes that I have. In the absence of thrifting, and even when I thrift, not finding a lot of pieces that I feel like I really connect with, I have started to realize that I am at a new point of redefining my style. I still stick well within that earthy girl vibe, but I think I want to be less boho and more just artsy, unique with earthy elements. But yeah, I've been thinking about this a lot just because I feel like it was a lot easier to find exactly what I was looking for when I was in LA, and out here I'm just not finding pieces. And so a lot of times I'll pull a lot of stuff in from the store and try them all on, and they're just like they're just not what I'm going for. So the vibe, what is the vibe here? I did kind of want to go for a little bit more of a down-to-earth, earthy girl kind of aesthetic. Let's pause because that also made me think of Pinterest. Rather than have me yap, I'm just gonna show y'all my Pinterest board, and I feel like that is the best way for me to show y'all what I've been on. All right, here's the inspiration. Let's ignore the toes. Yes, color, knits, short skirts, whatever that is, sewing, color, love, that's me. Oh my god, don't look at her. Whatever that is. Pretty dresses, that's me again. Skirts. So as you could see, I feel like it's still very much, I love that, very like earthy, but I feel like there's a little bit of class to it. I feel like it's not as much earthy as it is just like artistic. Someone who, I don't know, thinks about their style, has a vibe that they want to give out, and just knows how to sell it. And this is, I feel like, overtly earthy. I think another thing too is living in Washington, I can't just wear tank tops all the time. So yeah, this is the vibe. This is my Pinterest. It's a lot of dresses, a lot of knits, and a lot of color. Okay, and boots. I love boots. Blah, 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 blah. So this is the vibe that I'm going for. This is what I'm interested in. After showing all that, I feel like there are a couple things I could say. One, feminine. Feminine, elegant, down to earth, artistic. I feel like those are the four corners of the style and the aesthetic that I would like to create. I've always been that person that said that I shop by feel because I like textures and quality, and I really want to go back to that. Not that I strayed away, but pieces that I could hold forever and build on and create new styles with, but ultimately are just great base quality pieces that I could take with me. And to make both of our lives much easier, I think I'm just going to put together some outfits as I put clothes away. I brought a lot of clothes, so I just want to show y'all the things that I am most excited about and hopefully put together a couple outfits. And before I do that, I wanted to show y'all this bag. The color of the year for me has definitely been like a magenta, rosy red, just like deep pink, reddish color. And it just feels really feminine to me. It feels really powerful at times and calming, and so I've really been digging into that energy and vibe, and a lot of the pieces that I've been putting together have elements of red and pink and purple in them. This is the only purse I brought and I plan to take it everywhere. I do have my other travel purse. It's just like blue and it's huge, so it's whatever. But yeah, like even with this, I feel like minus the pants, I feel like if I put some cute bottoms on, like this would be cute. I love it with the top. Yes, so this purse. Okay, y'all. Hold on. Not the most interesting outfit, but I wanted to show y'all these two pieces just because both of these pieces are from online shops that I found through Instagram. Strangely enough, both of them are also overseas. So the top is from Snakes and Shanti, and then the bottom is Melissa something. And I wanted to show y'all one thing that I love about this top is that it's super versatile. If you see right here, the straps come off. The straps come off, which I feel like allows for a lot of play within the shirt itself and how you wear it and creativity. You could wear it as more of like a tube top, and it could just be like a cute basic tube top. I could also do a crisscross. You know, like the possibilities are endless. I feel like if there was one top that I was gonna bring with me and that be like my staple top for a trip, it would definitely be this top. I have this also in red. It's just a solid red. I'm not gonna show y'all because it's literally the same thing but red, so just imagine. I like to crisscross it in the back and then tie a little bow in the front. I don't know if you could see it. Not my best work. Yeah, so here's the fit with the shorts. Even though I fully bought these shorts with the intention of wearing them, I still get a bit self-conscious, and so I feel like being near a beach where people are already wearing little to nothing, I feel like I won't feel as weird versus like wearing these out to the grocery store to do my daily groceries. Yeah, I feel like I just haven't had a lot of like going out opportunities where these made more sense than anything else in my wardrobe. I think they're so fun and they're super cute, and so yes. Super basic and normal. I just brought this skirt, mini skirt that I also thrifted. I feel like I've had a really hard time finding a nice, solid, quality blue jean denim mini skirt, and I finally found it. The brand is Gap. I feel like Gap always has really good denim, so I feel like a win is a win. It has real pockets. I just feel like when I talk about quality pieces, like these are what I'm talking about. Obviously, I don't know if you could see the quality through the screen, but it feels good to wear. I feel like it looks good on, and I think it's just like made to last. Super quick, I want to show y'all the long pants that I brought. I'm not gonna try them all on. Pair of cargos. Love these. These are my favorite cargos. The color is amazing, and they're a bit oversized, but the waist cinches a lot, and so I feel like they just sit at a really nice level, and I feel like they kind of give me that down to earth, earthy girl vibe that I generally like to go for in my day-to-day. Oh, I bought those at a mall, so not thrifted, not nothing. The brand is Super Dry. If anyone is familiar, I believe it is a Japanese brand. Amazing quality. I think they're like $60. Can't go wrong with a pair of blue jeans. These are Decade jeans. I actually got this through a brand gifting / partnership. When I talk about quality and something that will last, these are like sustainably made, 100% cotton. I believe the brand is from Canada. Just amazing quality. 3 days into moving, someone broke in and stole our car, and these were in the trunk. I feel like that was the most devastating thing, apart from losing the car, to me. The people that did steal the car, they ended up dumping a lot of our stuff at a church, and that church had footage of them dumping everything, so they were able to contact us through someone's ID. I don't remember how, but they were able to get our information and contact us, and I got my jeans back. Retail, these jeans are like $300, so it's also just like a piece that I would not be able to afford or want to put money towards if I had to rebuy them. So I was just really happy that I got them back. And then finally, black denim. The brand is Topshop, which, if I'm not mistaken, Topshop is fast fashion. So the jeans have held up. I wouldn't say they're amazing quality. I do like them. They're the best pair of black denim that I've found thus far. I feel like I am always searching for a good pair of black denim. And for the skirt situation right here, this is actually a two-piece tube set. Love, super relaxing. It's giving yoga instructor, it's giving earth girl, it's giving meditating in nature. The brand is Indigo Luna and it's the X Hitomi line. Just because I have it on, I'm gonna show y'all. I feel like this is an example of a mistake. I thought it really gave like vacation vibes, but I actually hate it. I hate it a lot. It's not doing anything for me. I think that's what it is. I feel like the top by itself, it's not that bad. Like, it's kind of cute, but I think on me, it doesn't necessarily benefit me in any way, and it's really not giving anything. One, jumpsuit, very unstyled, but I love the color and I feel like it kind of just gives this farmer's market casual Sunday stroll vibe that I'm really liking. It doesn't really give me any type of shape, I'm not gonna lie, but that's not why I like it. I feel like it's just a nice casual piece. I wish y'all could feel the quality. It's really soft and buttery, and yeah, on camera I feel like it's coming up as more gray, but it's more of an olive. Another staple top for me is this top, also from Snakes and Shanty. I have a couple pieces from Snakes and Shanty because I love her pieces. I think she's great overall with her mission and who she is as a brand, as she is who she is as a person. And so yes, this is me selling you Snakes and Shanty right now. Beautiful purple, pink. It's very faded because I washed it in the wash. It's supposed to be hand washed, but who has time for that? Also, something that's very cool about this top, it also doubles as a skirt. Yay! The magic tube, I think that's the name for it. It's the magic tube. Yeah, I just love versatile pieces. Snakes and Shanty always has pieces that I feel like you can wear multiple ways, and that just makes it interesting. I feel like it makes it a worthwhile buy. Not gonna lie, I rarely wear this as a skirt just because I don't want to stretch it out. But if I need to have it as a cute little fun skirt, the length is like perfect. It's just fun. It's fun, it's comfortable. And speaking of comfortable, I also brought just like a lot of basic white tees, brown tees, and some just like loungewear just to be comfy. I feel like 9 times out of 10 I will choose comfort over style. And before I move on to dresses, I just want to give a shout out to this skirt. Yes, yummy, delicious, love her. I'm realizing how much stuff that I brought, so I'm kind of losing steam, so I'm not gonna put her on. Just imagine her on and imagine me looking very hot, very sexy, but not really, because it's not a sexy skirt. It's cute. This also kind of gives like day on the town, farmer's market, maybe dress up for a night out vibes, but generally very casual, very cute, very comfy. Guys, 2 things just happened. 1, I'm running out of space on my memory card, and 2, my battery is dying. So we're actually going to speed this up a little bit. I brought a lot of swimsuits. I wasn't planning on showing y'all the swimsuits, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Maybe I'll insert some cute pictures of me in swimsuits. So that's enough yapping for one day. But yeah, so here are the rest of the fits and how I wore them on my vacation. Hi guys, I'm editing this video. I'm so mad at myself that I didn't make a secondary outro where I just cut the video and said, you know what, forget it. This is literally all we're filming. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I want to get out of this hotel room and explore the city. I didn't do that, so I apologize. If you do want to see some pictures of the things that I wore, definitely follow me on Instagram because I definitely did a lot better posting while in Hawaii and posting fit pics and all of that stuff on my Instagram. I really didn't capture any of that type of footage for the rest of the week, but stay tuned for my visual diary. I definitely got a lot of cool clips of me just existing there and having a good time. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you so much. And as always, happy healing. Bye, y'all.